USB port 1 is 5 volts, 2.1 amps. USB 2 port 2 is 5 volts at 3 amps. As you can see right here. We're going to plug into the first port a GoPro cable. It is the one with the white. When we plug in our unit for the first time, we want to pay attention to over here. We want to show the power on. You got the flicker. If I press the on button, we're going to get a repeat cycle. The camera does not turn on, but it's repeating the cycle. Let's unplug this over here. What I want to do is bring you to the other power supply. I want to bring you to the blue. The blue is supposed to be a higher rating. Let's turn the unit on to show you that we're going to get the screen that says a higher power source is needed, 2 amps or higher. What we're going to go do is go back to this power bank. Going to go into the USB 2 rated at 3 amps. You're going to notice over here, turn the unit on, the flicker, the unit comes on, and we're ready to record. So we are good for that particular one, and we are recording video. There's the bullet. Now, what we're going to do is going to unplug. We're going to place into the media module, and we're going to use just the USB-C. We got the flicker, turn the unit on. Battery required. Your GoPro will power off. You're not able to use this power bank. Now let's try to trick that by hitting the quick capture. Battery needs to be here. So this power bank has 3 amps, not good. We have the blue port, don't know the power. This is the A port, white. That should be maybe a true 3 amp. We're 2 to 3 watts. Let's turn the mode on. We have power, and we're able to record. So we are good. What you're learning here is, I'm sorry, I forced the camera off. We're learning that certain power banks don't show the correct amperage. I have here is a Rode Wireless Go, and this is my microphone. I'm going to be now plugging this in, external power. I'm going to hit the mode on button. We're still at the 2 to 3 to 5 watt. I have my sound, and I am going to record video. I am good to record. We're going to take this one step further. We're going to unplug and crash the camera. We're going to take the 3.5 millimeter, plug it into the Pro mic. We're going to plug it into the camera. We're going to wait for acknowledgement when we plug in the power over here. We're going to turn the camera on, and it should repair my file. Now we should be ready to do our recording. We are recording, and there you go. The media module and the Pro Mic 3.5 millimeter adapter only and only with the GoPro Hero 10, because the GoPro Hero 11, GoPro no longer wants you to use an existing Pro mic that's on the market. They want you to purchase a media module that may or may not work. If your power bank is 100% 3.0 amps, you'll have a working camera like so. I just want to do one more for you. I want to put in my media module. I want to take the cable. I want to plug it in to this particular power bank. I'm 71%. Turn the unit on. It repaired my file. I don't have enough power. I'm going to plug it into the other port, and I'm going to repeat the same process, and I have enough power to record video. I am going to stop my video. I'm going to take out the USB-A cable, and I am going to use a USB-C cable on the back of the unit. If it has enough power to turn the unit on and work, and it does not. So every single cable is a little different than others. And what we want to do is test out one more cable, a USB-C to USB-C, and see if this power bank has enough power to run the unit, and it does not. We have one more thing we can do, is take one of these cables, plug it into power, the USB-C, over here, turn the unit on, 65 watts, and run it 100%. And we are able to work. Plugging into the other port, that is going to be 18 watts over here. We'll see if 18 watts will run the unit. 18 watts to the unit. Turn the unit on, wait for the beep. Repaired my broken file and won't work. So there you have everything. Make sure you got the correct power banks.